right, welcome back, fellow Shopify entrepreneurs. I just wanted to make this really quick video if anyone's having a hard time with their collections and they received this error from their admin when they're trying to make collections and they're trying to sort their products. I experienced this error the other day on my Shopify stores. Thought I would just make this quick tutorial video if anybody's having a tough time, as I just like helping fellow Shopify entrepreneurs on this channel. So this error, as we can see, is in the collection tab of our admin and our product page. We just have an example product here, and we have a collection named sale in the product description, and we want this product to be put into the sale collection. We're getting this error. It says this collection does not exist yet. Create a collection. So why this is happening is it's kind of the same way the Shopify admin works in a lot of ways. And so if we delete this, we can see this checkbox here. And this will show us all of our active collections that we have actually created. In this collection box, we don't type in our sale collection or any collection here. This is just how we assign the collection. We have one collection right now called the homepage, and that's what we can click here. And once we click here, it adds the tag there and we can delete it just like that. If you had more collections than the homepage, you'll see a list of collections here in which you can add this product to one or all of the collections depending on where you'd like, and you would see all the tags for the collections here. So the way we get rid of this error is if we want to make a sale collection and assign this hat to the sale collection, we can select create collections. And I did a huge video, link it below, on the best way of making collections automatically, manually, and how to use collection rules so you can automate a lot of this process. Definitely check that video out. But for now, say we wanted to make a collection called sale, and we can add a description here, the best sales in the world. We can hit save. In this case, I'm just going to quickly make a manual collection just by adding these three products. But of course, if you have a massive store, this is not very efficient and it's not automated at all. So definitely go check out that collection video I made. It's amazing. And it shows you how to automate these things and set up rules. And so that's constantly filtering these things for you. But for now, we've created our sale collection and now our products are added to it. We can go to our collections tab and we can see that our one collection here called sale has 3 products in it. One collection here called homepage has 1 product in it. All right, now we're all set up. If we go back to our products, we'll see the main difference here. And because we added the product manually, we can see that the collection for this hat product is already tagged. But if we remove this and we try to go back to the original error we were having, we can now see that our collections are added to our collection page here. So I can enable this, or I can enable both of them and they'll be tagged to both of them. You can do it this way. Or if we now search, this is what this box is for. It's for searching collections, because when you make a store, you'll have a lot of collections depending on your industry. Like if you're in the clothing industry, you'll have a lot of collections. You'll heavily rely on your collections. So you need to know how to automate these things. And so I definitely recommend checking out that video. But now if we needed to search for a specific collection, this is the search box for collections. So we can now add this, and now it's added to the sale collection. And if we are on this page, we can deselect this. We can save this from our product, and we can go back to our collections, and we can see that the total products in that sale collection has now gone back down to a 2. And we can see within the collections that the hat product has now disappeared because we removed that tag, and we can simply add it back here manually by enabling it here. So just want to make that really quick video. If you are seeing that error message and need a little bit of clarification, I just like helping fellow entrepreneurs on this channel, and I like making a community of fellow Shopify entrepreneurs as we all chase the same dream. So if that's something that interests you, subscribe to the channel. It's free. If this video has helped you, like the video so I know. And if you subscribe, I'll see you in the next video.